You gotta pull your kicks back quick, Pete. After you throw them. Okay, pull it back quick. Huh?
In order for me to throw my kicks,
You leave it out there.
Oh no, like in order for me to bring my kicks back, I need to throw a bit harder.
Yeah.
But
When you throw it soft, it's hard. It's like you
that's why I like.
You can't like hold it. It's like.
Left kick pretty much from the arm. Because when kick like that, it's hard to copy. And then when you miss it, you gotta.
Grab it and cross. Nah, left. Grab it with your left and cross with your right. And cross. They just cross it. No, cross it. Bang.
And then find a hole.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah, I could go in the back.
Yeah, you can. I'm not sure. Dirty jumped. Fuck that shit again. Time.